Hello and welcome to Cakes by Jenny Fox. Today we're going to be talking about how to temper chocolate. So we're going to start off with our chocolate, of course. We're going to need a cup plus a quarter cup, which you'll reserve. You'll need a spatula, heat-proof bowl on top of a saucepan with about an inch of water in it. And most importantly, a candy thermometer. Now let's temper. This one we didn't temper, we just melted. This one we did temper. Both have just been sitting out, by the way, on the counter, no refrigeration or anything. So when we try and take this one off, it's pretty bendy, doesn't have great structure, kind of falls apart. Very soft, doesn't have a nice texture either. And even if we were to try it, it's kind of soft and it doesn't taste right. This one though is our tempered chocolate. Comes off super easy and has a lovely snap. Tastes so much better.